Oh, hello, friends. How are you? My name is Steve, and I'm here in Cape Town, South Africa, which is almost like on the other side of the world to you. I'm going on an adventure today. Do you want to go on an adventure? I'll give you a hint where I am. If you look behind me, you might see there is a lot of sand and a lot of water. Do you think I'm in the jungle? No, definitely not. In a school? No. What was that? You think I'm at the beach? That is absolutely correct. I am at the beach today. And I was wondering, do you like going to the beach? Why don't you and your trusted adult come with me on an adventure? And we're going to go to the beach. Come along. I do like going to the beach. You know why? There's so many things that you can do. You can dig holes. You can make sandcastles. You can play beach bats. You can run around. You can go into the water and jump into the waves. You can lie there and relax and suntan. And of course, we can also collect some shells. Do you like collecting shells? I certainly do. I love the variety, the different types of shells that you can find. Let's go take a look at some of the shells on the beach today. Wow, you won't believe how many shells I saw today. Some were big, some were small, some were round, some were flat, some were dark, some were light, some were fixed, and some were broken. I would love to put out a few of the shells that I found, and let's see if we can count them together. Do you know how to count? You do? Well, that is fantastic. And what you can do is ask your trusted adult to help you find some coins or some bottle tops or some Lego pieces, anything that you can use to match up with the shells we're going to find today, because we're going to practice some counting. Okay, friends, let's do some counting. 0, 1, 2, do you know what comes next? That's right, it's 3. And then 4. And then 5, it matches the number of fingers you have in your hand. Then 6. And then 7, 8, 9. And what comes next? 10. Outstanding. You are a fabulous counter. But now we're going to count them again, but you might notice something a little bit different. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at that. There were 10. Even though it was in a different shape. You know what I think we should do? Do you want to count backwards with me? You do? Let's try it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. But now I'm going to put these shells in a pattern, and I want you to work out what comes next, starting with a dark shell, and then we have a light shell, and another light shell. Now we have a dark shell, a light shell, and another light shell, and then a dark shell, a light shell, and another light shell. I wonder what comes next in the pattern. Could it be a dark shell or a light shell? That's right. It is a dark shell, and that is because the pattern went dark, light, light, dark, light, light. Well done, boys and girls. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you and your trusted adult had a fantastic time on the beach with me. Well, I know we did some counting, forwards and backwards, and we looked at some cool patterns, but I'm afraid our time has come to an end. Maybe we can go on another adventure again. Until then, bye-bye.